My name is Mr. Kingsley Boniface Obut. I'm the general manager of Port Harcourt Luxury Car. Contact us on this phone number 070 300 80039.
This is a foreign use 2007 Toyota Camry, and this is the rear view. You see how clean the engine is. VVTi 16 valve engine with durable battery. You see the side view of the driver's side. See the passenger side with enough legroom space. So this is the back seat, very clean. Wow. You can see the steerings with button. It's an automatic transmission drive with AC chilling. This car is a sealed roof, as you can see here. And this car is pocket friendly and very cheap. This is 2015 Hyundai Genesis. It is a foreign used car. We don't sell Nigerian used in this dealership. You can see the rear view of this car with two exhausts. Reverse camera there. Very clean car. This car self get advanced technology. This is the clean engine of this car. V6 GDI engine. See the side view of the driver's side now. So this car is luxurious, so it's very luxury. And this is the passenger side, the back seats with enough legroom space. Wow, you can see, let me just show you. Wow, a clean back seat. Everything about this car is just so clean. Buttons on the steering is an automatic drive, and the AC is chilling. You see the roof is a double panoramic roof. And this car is actually pocket friendly. It's very cheap. If you are interested in the car, call the number of the dealer for inquiries and negotiation.
Contact us on this phone number 070 300 80039.
This is a 2008 Toyota Camry, the luxury edition of it. You can see the side view. So this is the rear view of this Camry, the luxury edition. You can see it over there, the luxury edition of it, and this is the side view. Very clean foreign used car. So this is the clean and strong VVTi 4-plug and durable battery engine. You see the side view of the driver's side with enough space, legroom space. So this is the passenger side of the back seats. Very clean and sharp, just like brand new. These foreign used cars are very clean. Buttons on the steering is an automatic transmission drive. The AC is chilling and it has a sealed roof. If you are interested in this car, contact the dealer with the phone number you can see on your screen for further inquiries and negotiations. Here with me is a foreign used Toyota Corolla 2009 model. Take a look at it, very clean. And the side view, you can see it. Here is the rear view of this Toyota Corolla. You can see it is Odyssey. It has a reverse camera, and this is also the side view. Take a look at the alloy trim, very clean. Here also is the engine. It has VVTi 16 valve 4-plug engine, very fuel economical. You can see how clean the engine is, and a durable battery. Take a look at the amazing interior. This is the driver's side view, very clean. All right, so here we go. This is also the side view for the passenger seats, very comfortable. A clean back seat view, very clean steering with good sound system, automatic drive, and the AC is working perfectly well. And it has a sealed roof. This 2009 Toyota Corolla is very affordable. So if you need this car, contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a foreign used Toyota Corolla Altis 2014 model. Take a look at the side view and the beautiful light. This is the rear view of this foreign used Toyota Corolla. It has a reverse camera underneath, and also this is the clean side view. It comes with a VVTi dual 4-plug engine, very fuel economical. This is the beautiful interior and also the side driver view, and it has enough legroom space. And also this is the back seat. This is the amazing view of it, side view. very clean and enough legroom space too. Very clean backseat view. It has good sound system and the control buttons on the steering, and the AC is working perfectly well. Automatic drive and a sealed roof. This car is going for an affordable price. Contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a 2010 Toyota Camry. You can see this is Asian spec. Take a look at the side view. Very, very clean and romantic. Here is the rear view of this Toyota Camry. This is the side view. Don't forget, it is Asian spec. It has dual VVTi 4-plug engine and a strong battery that will last you. Take a look at the amazing driver side view. Very clean, enough legroom space for your comfort. And also, this is the beautiful passenger side view. See how clean it is. Very clean backseat view. It has control buttons on the steering, reverse camera, automatic drive, AC vent is working very well, and it has a sealed roof. This 2010 Toyota Camry Asian spec is going for an affordable price. So if you need this car, call the phone number of the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a 2010 Lexus ES350, very clean. Take a look at the side view, full option, double panel. This is the rear view, very clean. You can see it boldly written ES350 Lexus. It has a reverse camera, and this is the side view. It has 2GRFE V6 engine, strong battery that will last you. This is the lovely driver side view, enough legroom space for your comfort. Take a look at the passenger side view, very clean and neat. Backseat view, factory fitted AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic drive. It is keyless and control buttons on the steering. It has a double panel roof. So this 2010 ES350 is going for an affordable price. Take a look at the alloy rim, very clean. If you need this car, contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. Lovers of Corolla, I present to you 2021 model. You can see the face of this car, very sharp. Wow. You can see the side view. This is the rear view of this car. You can see how clean and beautiful this car is with alloy rim seats, a clean 4-plug engine with durable battery. This is the lovely luxury interior of this Corolla. The back seats, just like brand new, very clean. Buttons on the steering, automatic drive with a chilling AC, Android screen, sealed roof. If you are interested in this car, contact the dealer for further inquiries and negotiations. This is a 2007 Lexus ES350 foreign use. Take a look at the side view, very, very clean, and a beautiful alloyed rim. Here is the rear view of this Lexus ES350 with a reverse camera, you can see, and a beautiful side view. It has 2GRFE V6 engine and a strong battery that will last you. This is the lovely interior of this car. Take a look at the amazing side view of the driver's side. It has enough legroom space. Here we go, the side view of the passenger seat with enough legroom space too, and back AC vents. Back seat view, very clean. Factory fitted AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic drive, control buttons on the steering. If you are interested in this car, call the phone number of the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. Here we go, a direct 2012 Lexus ES350. Take a look at the amazing lights and beautiful side view. Here is the rear view, reverse camera, ES350, clean side view. It has 2GRFE V6 engine, strong battery that will last you. Take a look at the beautiful driver side view, so comfortable. And also the passenger side view, very clean, enough legroom space with AC vents for your comfort. Back seat view, so clean. Look at it right there, reverse camera, sound system, automatic drive, factory fitted AC. It is also keyless and it has sunroof. This 2012 Lexus ES350 is going for an affordable price. If you need this car, do want to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a direct 2013 Lexus ES350, very, very clean. Take a look at the beautiful hazard light and the side view, so relaxing. This is the rear view. You can see ES350, Lexus, reverse camera, amazing side view. V6 engine, strong battery, catalyst is intact, buy and drive. Take a look at the amazing view of this car, enough legroom space. This is the back seat view, so comfortable. It's a side view with sunshade net on the window with back AC vent. Back seat view, so comfortable and clean. Reverse camera, sound system, control buttons on the steering, keyless and factory fitted AC. If you need this car, all you need to do is to call the phone number on this video to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiations.
My name is Mr. Kingsley Boniface Obut. I'm the general manager of Port Harcourt Luxury Car. Contact us on this phone number 070 300 80039. 070 300 80039. That number is on WhatsApp. If you want to chat us, you can as well use the phone number. Our address is at number 54 Stadium Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, here in Nigeria. That's where we are located.